Hello and welcome to our tutorial on how to create an essay using ChatGPT. In this video, we will go over the step-by-step process of using this powerful language model to generate high-quality essays on any topic of your choice. Step 1. Sign up on ChatGPT. The first step in creating an essay using ChatGPT is to sign up on the chat.openai.com/chat website. You can do this by clicking on the Sign Up with Google button and providing your Google account credentials. Once you are logged in, you will be able to access the ChatGPT model and start using it to generate essays. Step 2. Prepare your essay topic. The next step is to prepare your essay topic. This means doing some research and gathering information on the topic you want to write about. However, if you don't have a good topic to write an essay, you can also ask ChatGPT to give you some potential topics. As I do in this video, I ask ChatGPT to give me potential essay titles about social media addiction. You should also consider the purpose of your essay and the audience you are writing for. This will help you to generate relevant and high-quality content that will be of interest to your readers. Step 3. Input your essay topic into ChatGPT. Once you have your essay topic prepared, you can input it into ChatGPT. This is done by providing the model with a prompt that includes your topic and any other relevant information such as the purpose and audience of your essay. You can also provide the model with any additional information or constraints that you would like it to take into account when generating your essay. Step 4. Generate your essay. With your essay topic inputted into ChatGPT, you can now generate your essay. The model will use the information you provided to generate high-quality, relevant content that will be of interest to your readers. You can also fine-tune the essay to your liking by providing additional input or constraints. Step 5. Check for plagiarism. The final step in creating an essay using ChatGPT is to check for plagiarism. This will help you to ensure that your essay is original and free of any copied content. You can use a plagiarism checker tool to scan your essay and check for any instances of plagiarism. Once you have checked for plagiarism, you can make any necessary changes and submit your essay. And there you have it, a step-by-step guide to creating an essay using ChatGPT. With this powerful language model at your disposal, you can generate high-quality essays on any topic of your choice in no time. Thanks for watching, and good luck with your essay writing.